Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Beetle engine. First, ensure your workspace is safe and level. Begin by chalking the front wheels and disconnecting the battery, removing it for better access. Next, you'll need to raise the rear of the car significantly, using sturdy jack stands for support. Don't forget to drain the engine oil and remove the air cleaner, as these are crucial initial steps. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the various components. Carefully label and detach all electrical wires from the generator, ignition coil, and oil pressure switch. Next, disconnect the accelerator cable from the carburetor and tuck it away. You'll also need to loosen and remove the heater hoses from both the fan shroud and the heater boxes. Finally, disconnect the fuel line from the fuel pump, making sure to plug it to avoid any fuel spills. With the engine components disconnected, it's time to address the mounting hardware. Carefully position a floor jack, ideally with a wood block, directly under the engine's oil sump. Apply gentle upward pressure to support the engine's weight. Then, locate and remove the two lower 17mm engine mounting nuts at the bottom of the transmission. Don't forget to loosen and remove the upper right engine bolt, which often also secures the starter motor. For the final step, double-check that all 4 engine-to-transaxle bolts are completely removed. Now, carefully pull the engine straight back from the transmission, wiggling it gently to ensure it clears all studs. Once the engine is fully separated and clear, slowly lower it using your floor jack. With the engine safely on the ground, you can then roll it out from under the car and transfer it to an engine dolly for further work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.